Want to keep your iPhone from ringing with calls from numbers that aren't in your contacts? You are in the right place. Today we are going to show you how to block all incoming calls except those from saved contacts on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Block all contacts except from contacts. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and find Focus. Then tap the plus icon. Select Custom. Next, type in a name like Contacts Only. Tap Next. Choose Customize Focus. Under Silence Notifications, tap Choose People. After that, tap Add People. Tap Next. If you want to allow calls only from people saved in your contacts, choose Contacts Only. After that, swipe down from the top of your screen. In the Control Center, locate Focus. Tap on it. Now, find the Contacts Only option. Enable this option to activate the setting. Remember, you can always come back here to turn it off if you want to receive calls from numbers outside your saved contacts. And there you have it, 2 ways to block all incoming calls except those from your saved contacts on your iPhone. If you have any questions or need further help, drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.